Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2015 911 GT3. This right here is my dream spec of my dream car, attainable dream car. This is what I'm striving for. This is exactly the car I would love to buy. I'm close, but I still got a ways to go. We got the window sticker here, racing yellow. Oh. And this one is a absolutely amazing build. Front axle lift, Porsche dynamic lights system, side skirts painted, headlight cleaning, PCCB, front axle lift, adaptive sports seats, heated seats, interior color painted. This thing has everything. Full leather dash, yellow belts. This is my dream car that is attainable. Like I can work a little bit harder and get this car, and this is something that really keeps me going, keeps me working hard. You know, because you can get some with miles for 120, 130. This one has 2,900 miles, so this is... buffeting. That sound. Oh. I forgot to put it in manual mode, so I'm gonna try that again. Brakes, the engine sound. Here's what I love about the GT3. I've never driven a 991.1 GT3. I've driven a .2 GT3 RS, a .1 GT3 RS on a racetrack. Here's what I love about this car, is it's raw, mechanical. Yes, you can't get a manual, but I'm not missing a manual right now. I need to drive a manual GT3 and see what that hype's all about. I'm not missing the manual. I don't feel like the PDK detracts from this experience. This is a phenomenal car. Absolutely phenomenal. And the PDK is so good that I think it almost adds to the experience, because I'm upshifting, downshifting, playing with the car. But what's really nice is when you're not on it and you're just cruising around town, it's comfortable. Yes, the suspension's harsh, whatever. Actually, it might be an even sports suspension. Yeah, okay. This is as comfortable as my Boxster. Brake squeal, that's a normal thing with PCCB. Oh my God. Oh my God. the highway. Let's put it in comfortable mode. And I could grand tour in this thing all day long. The 18 ways are so comfortable. I need a GT3. I need a GT3. I don't care what I have to do. I need this car. The only other car I've driven that makes me feel that way is the 458. But this car, 458s are getting stupid. You know, they're 100 grand. Well, a similar 458 to a build like this with this miles is $300,000, if not more. This is half the price of a 458, and it is definitely not half the experience. It might even be a better experience than a 458. Yeah, it's a 6-cylinder versus a V8. Who cares? It revs to 9, so does the 458, I know. I can't make a point for the C8 Z06 when this car exists. The only reason I would buy a C8 Z06 over this car is the fact the C8 is brand new. I would not, if you gave me 150 grand, well, you couldn't buy this car for 150, but if you gave me $150,000 to spend on a car and said, go buy your favorite car, go buy the best sports car out there, you cannot buy a C8 Z06 over this car. You can't. You just can't. There's nothing the C8 Z06 does better than this car. Every single thing. This car is telepathic. The fact that I didn't realize I was in drive instead of manual means that every shift that I was going to do, this car thought of it at the same time. This is a car that, God, I need one. I need this car. I'm about to make a stupid decision right now. A decision that I can't afford. But all this is done is say to me, you work that little bit harder. You put in that extra shift. You go out and film videos and do things. Get yourself elevated. This is what you can have. Oh, God damn. So mechanical. You hear the gearbox, you hear thank you guys so much for watching this video, because thanks to you guys watching these videos, I can even have a conversation of owning this car. Huge thanks to Porsche of Nashua, best Porsche dealer around, for letting me film this video. I will see you all in the next one.